Let's tone and sculpt your back in this 12-minute equipment-free home workout. Hi, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I have a follow-along 12-minute back workout for you all today. It is easy to do at home. If you've not hit subscribe, do that right now and press the bell so you get a notification every time I upload a brand new workout, and also give me a like on this video. This is a 12-minute follow-along workout. It's bar inspired. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen. Each exercise is going to be 2 minutes long. There's 6 exercises. Okay, let's get straight into it. Let's go. Bringing your elbows up in line with the shoulders, you're going to start to roll the arms round and round and round. So I want you to really think about drawing the shoulders up to the ears and then roll them round and down. So you've got a 90-degree angle through the arms, elbows in line with the shoulders, palms are coming down towards the floor. You will really feel this in towards your traps. So your traps is this muscle around the neck here. We go, roll and roll. You've got it. Roll those arms round. Keep on going. So you want to really imagine like you're swimming, but we're swimming back and back. Now we're going to go the other way, round with the hands in. Just go 10, 9, 8, other way, in 6, 5, 4, you've got it, 3, 2, 1, and now we're going to go back. Forwards, forwards, forwards. So you're working here in towards those back muscles already. Also working into your shoulders, your deltoids, round and round. Let's strengthen up your back, your neck. The stronger those muscles are around your neck, the stronger your muscles are in your body in general, the less likely you are to injure yourself. So it's really in your best interest to get nice, strong, lean muscles. Keep going. You got 40 more seconds here. Rolling those arms around. It's starting to burn. I know. Each exercise today, it's 2 minutes long, but you can do it. Circle, really rotate into those shoulders. Let's get those rotator cuffs working. Sit nice and tall off your hips. Give me 20 more seconds. Woo! Hate me now, love me later. Let's go. 15 more seconds, and then we're going down to the floor into a back extensor. 10, 9, 8, circle those shoulders, let it burn. You've got 5, 4, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, lower yourself straight away on towards your mat here. You're going to bring the arms to the side, head down towards the floor. Then you're going to lift back extensor, pull forwards, press back and lower down. Lift forwards, reach back and then lower. Back extensor. So every time you lift up, you want to visualize your body like a banana. Your eye line, I know it's hard because you're trying to watch me on whatever device you're using right now, but needs to be down towards the floor. This is great for working at upper back, the lower back, and you're also getting into that booty as well, because every time you lift, I want those glutes squeezing together, your legs getting long, and lower down. You've got this. Up, reach forwards, reach back, lengthen, back, then down. You've got it. Up, reach, squeeze, reach back and lower down. So really pull something above your head, squeeze it down, reach back, release, lower. Let's tone up your back today. We're getting long, we're getting lean, we're getting ready for those gorgeous back clothes dresses, those bikinis. Squeeze, reach back, come in, lower down. 2 more, go up, go reach, squeeze, reach back, in, lower down. You've got it. 1 more, in, reach back, squeeze and lower down. That's not the end. Lift all the way back up again. From here, you're going to reach those hands forwards and stay here. Find length through the body. You're in an isometric hold. The hands are reaching forwards, the toes are pointed. You've got a long knee. You are really finding that banana shape through your body. Let the back burn, let it shake. Isometric hold. Your muscles are in a static contraction right now. You got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lift yourself all the way up. Hands under the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. You're going to extend your left leg backwards, lift it up and away, and then this other hand, opposite hand, it comes away. Now we're going to squeeze down, all the way forward. So we're going to go down for 2, reach, reach. So if you don't know what I'm doing with that upper body, I'm going to show you right now. You're in a lat pull down. So that arm goes squeeze, back, reaches, forwards. Squeeze, squeeze, reach it, forwards. Squeeze, squeeze. So lat pull down, really working towards the back in your bird dog. Squeeze those abs in, hips are rotated down towards the floor. Pull the belly button towards your spine. We go, lat pull down with the arm. Reach it, forwards, let's go. 1 more minute here. Go reach, reach. The elbow comes towards the shoulder on that right side. Lat pull down, bend through the elbow. Again, I want you to imagine you're grabbing something, pulling it down. Reach, reach, something really heavy, pull it down. We go, reach, reach. 45 more seconds to go. Reach it, forward, squeeze that elbow to the side. Keep those abs engaged. You're getting abdominal work. You're getting shoulder back work. And you are also burning out that butt. Let's go, reach, reach. 30 more seconds here to go. Are you burning yet? I definitely am. Let's get strong together today. Let's change our bodies together. We go reach, reach. You've got it. 15 more seconds. Pull something heavy down. Woo! Go reach. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7. You've got it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick shake off. Other side. Right toe lifts all the way up. This hand, it comes down. Lat pull down. Reach it forward. Squeeze. In. Reach. Reach. Pull something heavy. Roll the shoulders away from your ears here. So you want as much distance from your shoulder to your ear as possible on that working arm. Lat pull down. Let's go. Toe in line with the hip. Squeeze in. Draw those abs in nice and tight. Exhale. Reach. Really using that breath here. Let's harmonize movement and breath. It will help you get through the burn. Go in for 2. Lengthen, lengthen. I want you to really lengthen the body as long as you possibly can every time you reach out. We have this. 1 more minute to go here. In, in. Woo! Let's go. Go squeeze it in. I'm starting to really burn out now, but we have this. Go in and in. Lat pull down with the arm. Elbow comes in line with the shoulder. Really squeeze into your lats, into those back muscles. Every time you pull down, so your latimus dorsi, those back muscles that flare across your back are really working right now. Your shoulder is working to keep you stable on the underneath arm. We've got this. In, reach, reach. You've got it. In. Let's go. You don't have long left to go now. Literally 15 more seconds. Pull those abs in. Don't lose that core strength. Reach, go in. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You've got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. We're going into a hyperextension, lying on the floor now. So you want to bring your hands at the side of your head. Keep the feet on the floor, and then you're going to lift the chest up, low back down. Let's go. Lift up for 2, low back down. We've got this. We go up, up, down, down. You got it. Up, up. My back is on fire right now. We can do this together. From the crown of the head to your feet, I want your body as long as possible. Imagine I've lengthened you out, and then you're lifting your chest up and away from the floor. Keep the eye line down. Try to have the eye line just in front of yourself. We go up, Up, you've got this. Lower, lower. We're switching it up in 7 seconds. 6 more seconds. Hands are just to the side of your head. Let's go. 4. Let's go. 2, 1. Now lift and hold away from the floor. You're going to extend your arms out like this. Palms are down. Head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Eye line is forward. Now start to press. Down, 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 down. Let's go. Go squeeze. Now push something heavy, really heavy into the floor. Let's get the back working. Let's get that gorgeously sculpted, toned, defined back. Everybody's going to be jealous. All of your friends are going to be jealous. You're going to be like, how did you get that back? And you're just going to say, TaylorToned, YouTube. It's free, you know. Go squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Give me 20 more seconds here. Eye line down. Push the palms down. Roll the shoulders away from your ears. And give me a final 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Bring the hands around your chest. Safely lift yourself all the way up. You're going to bring yourself on towards your heels and you're going to bring your hands up. Go down, lift up. Go down, lift up. You've got it. Down, lift. Palms. There you go. To the floor. Lift up. To the floor. Lift up. Breathe, inhale. Breathe, exhale. My shoulders, my back is absolutely on fire right now. Trust me. So if you're unsure what I'm doing, I'm just bringing the palms down, lift. So you'll really be able to feel your back working here. Amber down, lift and lower. So your back is made up of your trapezius, which is this muscle right up here near the neck. And it's also made up of your latimus dorsi, which flare across the middle of your back. You've also got your spina erecti too, but we're not gonna really talk about that right now. We're just really gonna focus on working those traps, working your deltoids, your shoulders. Lift, lower. Let's do it. Keep the shoulders rolled down away from the ears. Sit tall off your hips. Draw your abs in. Work on your posture as well as defining out that back. Lift, lower. I know. 4, 3. You've got it. 2. Last one. Bring the palms down. Now lift the palms halfway. Little lift back. Back, oh, back, and back. So like you're flicking something behind yourself, little squeeze. It's so tiny, but it's so forceful. Don't forget, shoulders are rolled down, abs are pulled in. Sit nice and tall off the hips, little lift, lift, lift. Squeeze your lats together, squeeze your shoulder blades together, little flick. Just give me 6, 5, push harder, 4, you've got it, 3, 2, 1. Oh, give those shoulders a quick roll off. You're gonna come into a stretch now. Bring this right hand across the chest, loop the left arm under, bring the head to the side. And then from here, you're gonna come back to the center, left arm comes across the chest, roll the shoulder down and away. Then from here, bring the hands forwards, interlace the fingertips, drop the chin towards the chest, and then imagine you are hugging on to a really big beach ball, a really big balloon, maybe a space hopper, and really separate out through the shoulder blades. Then you're going to come in for one more stretch, cat and cow. Bring the hands under the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. You're going to breathe, inhale, lift the middle of the back up to the ceiling, create a gorgeous bridge shape through the body. And then inhale here, exhale, press the chest down, lift the eye line up. Press the belly button to the floor, find the opposite contraction. One more of those. Inhale, scoop up and out. And then you're gonna go exhale, push the chest down, lift all the way up. And then from here, you're gonna come back through the center. And then most importantly, give it a quick shake off. Well done in your workout today. I I hope you loved your 12-minute home workout for your back. Drop me a comment down below, let me know how you got on with the video, and let me know if you'd like to see anything else. I will see you again next time. Hit subscribe, press that bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new workout. And if you're raring, ready for something else right now, head back to my YouTube homepage. There's so many equipment, home-friendly workouts on there too. See you again next time.